year 2023 is certainly starting with a bang for the families of Amopu Senebo, Holwels Dappa of Iobama community in Fubara Manila People Chieftaincy House and Iganipuma Burusu of Tolofari Chieftaincy House of Kalibiama, all of Grand Bonny Kingdom, who had their children Jane Holwels Dappa, who is an asset, a master's degree holder and lecturer in the Federal Polytechnic of Oil and Gas, and Ambassador Amopu Senebo Tolofari, a titled citizen and a contractor in the oil and gas sector, have the beautiful occasion of their traditional engagement.
In honor of your name, through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen. Just after the opening prayer, distinguished guests were specially introduced by the Master of Ceremony, Dr. Kalapapa Dappa, who happens to be the brother of the bride.
In the meantime, permit me, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to very, very specially recognize in our midst a very distinguished Amopu Senebo Honorable I.T. Williams. May I recognize the presence of our own very distinguished one-time caretaker committee chairman, Bonny local government area, Amopu Senebo Honorable Nelson Ben. It is my pleasure to very quickly say welcome to our own Amopu Senebo Saboma Jumbo. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our own Wari Senebo Sir Godwin Hart. I have the permission to announce the presence of Wari Senebo Honorable Oliver Benstow. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have in this occasion Reverend Nathaniel Dagogo Abehat. I have the pleasure to say welcome to Mrs. Bennett Tolofari. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Senator Dagogo S. Pepon is well seated. Senator Isaac Banigo is well seated. Mr. Christopher Banigo is well seated. It is my pleasure to very quickly say welcome to, still under the recognition and constitution of the highest table held internally. Permit me to say welcome to Wari Senebo Engineer and Mrs. Duma Beppo. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Maxine Tolofari is well seated. It is my pleasure to very quickly welcome Beppo. Honorable George Tolofari. Of Ware Alabo Elliot Kalarajim Haride. We are proud of him. May I at this point in time inform you complete. It was very difficult to get a competent chairman, and at the end of the day, we are very, very fortunate to get a very distinguished personality, a prominent man of eminent character, a man that has attained a high level of mental alertness, flexibility, and enthusiasm. It is my pleasure, therefore, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to announce to you the chairman of this auspicious occasion, our own very distinguished Amopu Senebo Safred S. Ebo. The father of
our deal of this year.
Father of the bride is well. Permit me, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to recognize. So, Madam Doris and our wife Peppo, our dear auntie, you're welcome. We are proud of you. Like I said, when you don't permit me, of course, individually, I want to say once again that we are all special guests of honor. We're interested to know that our in-laws are well seated, and if you don't recognize them, this occasion will make it complete. Very quickly, say welcome to Senator Michael Tolofari. Reverend Ilomafi Daniel Tolofari, Justice of the Peace.
Just after introduction of guests, the chairman of occasion, Amopu Senator Sir Fred S. Pepple eulogized everyone present, thanking them for finding time to grace the auspicious occasion.
I just want to say welcome to this place. God be with us. Thank you so much.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's point in time to important for us to know the spokesman of the bride's family as well as the spokesman of the groom's family.
As tradition demands, the chairman of occasion requested spokesman of the groom's family to make known to everyone their reason for coming.
And we have the man representing the family to tell us why they are here.
Actually, the Salabo and the traditional rulers are here, and by our tradition, before you come in, you will see a beautiful woman to carry away. Our tradition demands to come with two hands. Salah. So, what you did? Once again,
That's say about the brother.
we saw a beautiful young lady from Amopu Senator Holwels family, and that's why we're here to do the needful and go with that. Thank you, sir.
Of the truth, Chairman, we have numerous flowers of different species and categories.
Hibiscus.
We have the ones that work in line with the dry season, the ones that are very comfortable with the raining season. We have the ones that are serving presently as ushers and others as family photographers. So let him be specific. We have such flower in this family, very pretty, very responsible, a lecturer in the Federal Polytechnic of Oil and Gas, just concluded her master's degree, an asset for excellence. Thank you.
At this point, the occasion gradually climaxed to its crux as the chairman of occasion intimated the groom's family of the traditional requirements to formally engage the bride, who happens to be the daughter of a titled citizen. And this was closely followed by a confirmation of receipt by the father of the bride.
Just to confirm that I've received and started using it. Yeah.
Indeed, it's a colorful occasion as it witnessed the convergence of dignitaries from far and near, nodding to the beats of the cultural group just before the commencement of the bride identification. By this, the task of identifying his bride Jane followed, as different disguised maidens were presented until his bride appeared.
Okay, if she's not, then you can give us another transport. Let's send one. So all you need to do is to give them what they have come for. And they will not bother you. They will give you every support, but you must give them what they come for.
Thank you, my chairman. Please, chairman, I will also want you
Please, one house.
and beg our in-laws to be. Because this, the money they gave me, I stopped at Kotobi. So let him give me enough money so that I can get to Iyoba. So we all know going to Iyoba is not an easy something. So he should try and do something. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Is that your wife?
Yes.
Thank you.
Now we have the father and mother of the man and the father and mother of the...
Yes.
You come forward, please.
back. So, I'm going to say, well, and his family. Yeah. Yes. So that you, all of you, so that tomorrow, you then intend that I handed over. So you did.
On the high table, I want to say that today is an extremely happy day for me.
With this, the groom has finally concluded the rites, and for the couple, they have made their choice as they wish to spend the rest of their lives together in harmony. Indeed, all of us in Think Tank TV wishes them all the best, as we kindly request that you subscribe and contact us for your event coverage.
Once again, welcome everyone. We are done with the traditional rite. At this point, everyone coming up together, picking up really on each other tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the family of the both sides, talk about the